So let's try this again. If you want something, even though it doesn't change you at all, then you must really want it. That's called a mitzvah lishma. You're not doing it for the change, you're not doing it for the improvement, you're not doing it because you'll die without it. You're doing it because of it. So that just shows how every mitzvah is essential. Since there's no, like you were saying, tefillin helps for war, the 12 psukim. What if it doesn't help for anything? Does he still want it?
Yes.
So what does that show? That there's nothing more important than the mitzvah that he's trying to get to through the mitzvah. The mitzvah itself is the most important. That makes sense? So when we're told the Eibishter does not change and the Eibishter doesn't, that doesn't mean the mitzvah is less important. It means it's even more important than you thought. Obviously, it's much more than making him happy. Because happy and sad, yeah, that's a change. So first of all, what makes you think God is sad and you have to make him happy? Who says he's not already happy?
Happy emotions.
Huh?
You can never be too happy. Like.
Actually, you can. Some people get sick from being too happy. No, really. Just like bad news can make you sick, good news can also. Too much excitement and your system gets a little overwhelmed. But happy and sad, first of all, they're not that important. So to say that the Eibishter wants the mitzvahs because it will make him happy, not that important. And again, who says he's not happy? He's an unhappy Eibishter and we have to do mitzvahs to make him happy?
So just trying to define, if the mitzvah is that important because he's not trying to get anything from it, then is something happening to the Eibishter? If he's getting that thing that's really important?
Nothing is happening because nothing has to happen. The mitzvah itself is the purpose and the objective and the...
So what does he have? He has the mitzvah.
Schar mitzvah.
So
Like a marriage. What does a husband have when he gets married?
A wife.
And what good does that... and how does that change him? What good is a... What's a wife good for?
Everyone would go there.
Ultimately, she doesn't have to be good for something. Just having a wife is perfect. Why? Will that make him richer?
Richer.
If it'll make him richer, then he really wants money, not a wife.
Richer in the sense of not richer in money, richer in
Something.
life. Like
In life.
I don't know how to explain it.
So if a man
But it
says,
does still change it.
it does, because we're human beings.
Right.
But the real truth of marriage is, I don't need you to make me happy. You're not there to make me happy. Because if you're there to make me happy, then my happiness is important. You're not. Like, if you make me happy, fine. If not, I don't need you. That's terrible. So, the real answer, what does a man need a wife for? Nothing. He needs her for nothing. In other words, he doesn't need anything from her. He needs her. Why? What is she going to do? She's going to be his wife. Yeah, so what good is that? What? What kind of question is that? Or with children. You have a child. You have a child, it's going to make you happy. Really? Is that what a child is for? Like entertainment? Like a pet? So the same thing with the Eibishter and us. He doesn't need us for something else. Ata b'chartanu means we are it, not for something. Anyway, let's go back to Miftzayim.
Yes.